welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching. My name is Joel Ara and this is my world. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. In that case, you'll be able to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So on today's video, I told you last time that I'll be taking you through a couple of steps to show you how you can actually make a document that is plagiarized, unplagiarized. So I'll be showing you, last time I showed you a website, I'll be using the same website to show you how to make a plagiarized document unplagiarized. It's a very simple process. The steps are super easy, so don't worry, I'll be right there to walk you through on how to submit your documents. So in that case, you can download the document from the website, you can take materials from your friends, you can use some certain phrases and make these documents unplagiarized. I'll also show you how to include in-text citations and references in order to make the documents look perfect. So stay with me, I'll just turn on my camera and again walk you through these steps. Stay with me, we'll be right back. So guys, as I said earlier that I was going to show you how a plagiarized document can be made unique. So I'll just do a few steps here so you can see. So first, you open your Google Chrome and you go to your plagiarism check that you've saved in your computer. So when I tap here, so I am just going to open this one, Programming Fundamentals, and I'm gonna copy this. Okay, we have to do it like that. Okay, so I am just going to copy this, then minimize and go back to my. So in order for us to make this unique, 100% unique, all we need to do is to go here, make it unique. This is the button you need to click. You make it unique. One way to do that is to check the highlighted lines. For example, here, it shows that this line is plagiarized. And if I click on this line, it's going to show me where the document, so here we are, it's 95 and it's 100%. Okay, so now it shows this is the plagiarized document and this is, this is the unique document and this is the plagiarized document. So in order for you to put it on your, you see here you can copy, but here you can't copy, you can't, because so there we are, and that's how you make your document very, very unique and plagiarism free. I'll be uploading a lot of the videos again on how to help you study online and how to get your documents well written and how to get your assignments well written. My name is Joel Ara and this is my world. If you're new here, please again, do not forget to subscribe because that's how you support me. I am helping you to study. I hope you also help me by subscribing and clicking the like button. So thank you all for watching and see you in my next video.